Hello everyone, this week our topic is all about birds and I thought I'd show you how to make a simple but effective bird feeder. So you're going to need some netting, a bit like this, and I've used, when you get your punnet of fruit, get your adult to snip one end off. So you've just got that, and then take the sleeve off of your punnet of fruit. So you've ended up with your little bit of netting like this. So you've still got one end that's tied. And you need some twigs. Just one will do, or you could put two if you like. I've just picked these up when I'm out walking the dog. And then what you're going to do is thread that at the bottom where you've got that little bit of hook. Gently put your twig through so that you end up with it like that, okay? Just go gentle that you don't break it. And you might need a little tray to just pop this in because it's going to be a little bit messy. You're going to need some bird food. Any old bird food, not too big because obviously you want to get it through these little holes. So I'm going to use a cardboard tube just to pop that in there, just to keep it open. You don't have to, you can get an adult to help. Just pop your tube inside there, like that. You might need a little plate or a tray or something because it will get a bit messy. So pop your tube in, and you can either just tip it in or fill your bird food in there, so that when you take it out, your bird seed is into the netting, okay? And all you're going to do is tie that at the top, just a little knot. You might need to get an adult to help. Just make a little tie there. Okay, and then get some string. You won't need much. Underneath the knot, tie it round a couple of times. Keep going round with it. There you go. And then you end up with, tie it at the top so that you've got something to hang it on. Okay, and there you go. You can hang that then from your tree or somewhere in the garden and watch the birds. You can sit on there, look, and feed from your very own bird feeder. Have a go. See you soon. Bye.